Itong part na to parang wala ka sa Pilipinas, parang nasa abroad. Yung mga gustong pumunta ng Korea pero you can't afford it. Hi guys! So nandito kami sa entrance ng Forest Bathing Trail dito sa may Camp Janhei. So ito yung known na or developed by in Japan na Shirin Yoku ang tinatawag na literally means forest and bathing. So hindi siya literal na maliligo ka kundi parang i-imbibe mo yung atmosphere and environment ng forest. So as you can see, meron siyang different points yung I'll guide siya for the different points ng entire trip. This is my second time. So it's up to you kung hanggang saan ng point ng trail mo lang gusto. Meron namang mga resting area. Yung forest bathing is a type of a wellness program na dinesign ng Japan. Supposedly, it helps you rejuvenate or improve yung immune system. There are rules that you have to follow. Other than the map na that guides you kung saan ka pupunta. Meron siyang mga instructions pagpasok mo para nga i-practice mo yung Shirin Yoku na sinasabi, which is the real practice of forest bathing. It's yung hugging the tree, walking on barefoot, enjoying the air, or yung quietness lang of the forest. Medyo matao lang ngayon, so we don't know how it will be later pagpasok namin. Ideal talaga konti lang kayo, and even if you are with your company, dapat hindi kayo nagkikantuhan kasi part yun nung process. Maraming sinasabi na other than relaxation or it relieves yung stress mo, it also helps you lower your cholesterol or any other illnesses na related to stress. Ang number one rule when you go into a forest bathing, yung talaga yung readiness mo to let go of other things that you are concerned about. Yung forest bathing is also an opportunity for you to commune with nature. So, by touching or by smelling or just enjoying everything about the forest. So, pero ang pinaka number one rule dito, yung huwag kang maingay. Medyo madami kaninang tao nung pumasok kami. So, doon pa lang sa entrance, medyo maingay na sila. Papa-picture sila. Pero sana out of respect to those people na who wanna go into forest bathing, dapat pag nandun ka na, once pumasok ka na, tahimik ka na. Kami ngayon wala kaming mga kasabay. We made sure na walang nakakarinig sa amin kasi yun nga. Kung first time nyo, mag yung kabahan kasi sinasabi ko nga, other than the map na ipoprovide nila dun sa gate, meron namang mga instructions to each point nung trip. So, kahit wala kayong background, may enjoy nyo siya. And mas maganda nga kung mag-isa kayo. para mas fully maximize mo yung benefits ng forest bathing or Shinrin Yoku, you have to give the nature you have to meet nature halfway. You have to listen to the chirping of the birds, even the heat of the sun, yung coolness ng air, even the smell ng plants and grass. So enjoy mo lang siya. Aside from communing with nature, also reminds you to work on your senses. For you to touch, to breathe, to listen. Things na medyo nakakalimutan na natin gawin dahil sa sobrang busy. So, it's really a practice of mindfulness. Siguro dahil sa age ng social media, tapos ng mga gadgets natin, these are the simple things na nakakalimutan na natin gawin. Kakalimutan na natin huminga ng malalim, nakakalimutan na natin makinig, nakakalimutan na natin damdamin or hawakan yung texture ng mga bagay-bagay. Nagkikantuhan. Sobrang relaxing talaga. Yung immediate benefits na na-experience ko with forest bathing, parang it takes you away from the busyness na na-experience mo at work. Parang ito talaga yung perfect time na nahanap mo. Yung wala kang iniisip, yung tunog lang nung ibon, nung hangin, yun lang yung kasama mo, wala kang masyadong iniisip. Sometimes we really owe it to ourselves to just do nothing. Yung just enjoy yung nature. Wala kang plano, wala kang iniisip. Enjoy mo lang yung present. Kanina in-expect ko na medyo maingay kasi madami yung dumating. Pero as we tread forward, tumahimik na rin siya. Either siguro napagod yung iba, hindi na tumuloy, or perhaps na-imbibe na nila yung nature na naisip nila na nga naman, this is the time for you not to do anything and just to enjoy the journey. And i-describe, you have to be here, you have to experience this para masabi mo what is it like to bathe in a forest or to commune with the nature. Ginaw na sa part na to ng forest. Siguro kasi sa loob na. Punong-puno na siya ng puno. Ramdam mo na talaga yung ginaw. So buti na lang naka-ready ako. iba yung hangin dito, iba yung amoy, iba yung lamig. Itong part na to parang wala ka sa Pilipinas, parang nasa abroad. Diba parang autumang peg? So yung mga gustong pumunta ng Korea pero you can't afford it. Guys, I need to warn you though. Banging po yung nasa gilid. So, hindi po akong gayahin na nagbablog yung nasa tabi ng bangin. Na ako din kanina. So guys, if you like this video, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button so that you'll be informed of my future vlogs. There are two possible entrances kasi. Yung pinasukan natin kanina, yun yung tama. So puro siya pababa. Pag dumaan ka dun sa kabila, eto puro paahon. So mas mahihirapan ka. Alright, so we're now almost at the end of the trail. I should know kasi naririnig ko na yung ingay. Meron na nga nagbi-video okay dun sa dulo. On my watch, it took us exactly 2 hours. Pero syempre, maraming pahinga. Tapos nag-vlog pa kami. Pero siguro kung dire-diretso lang kayo, baka it will take you an hour or an hour and a half. Depende dun sa pace nung lakad nyo. I'm telling you guys, it's just a long walk, but easy walk lang siya. Basta tama lang yung entrance na papasukan nyo. Kasi kung doon kayo nga sa likod, which is kung saan kami mag-i-exit ngayon, medyo maraming paahon. Kami, it's just an easy walk, saka malamig siya. Medyo pinawisan lang ako siguro. Pero sobrang ginaw siya sa loob. And may pagod ka pero relaxing. Iba yung parang you feel refreshed. You feel basta parang parang siguro for at least for 2 hours na you're not connected sa social media. In-enjoy mo lang yung nature, yung lamig, yung smell. Ang sarap siya. So I really encourage you guys to do this forest trail. In Japan nga, sinasabi ko yung nagpauso ng ganito. They do it almost regularly or at least a week para ma-lessen yung stress ng mga tao.